Controller drift can be frustrating while playing Apex Legends. Follow these steps to help minimize or disable controller drift. Step 1. Check controller settings. Navigate to the settings menu in Apex Legends. Look for the controller settings section where you can adjust sensitivity and dead zones. Step 2. Adjust dead zones. Increase the dead zone settings for both the left and right sticks. This adjustment allows for a small range of movement where inputs are ignored, helping to reduce drift. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Check the manufacturer's website or the console settings to find any available updates that can improve performance. Step 4. Clean the controller. Physically clean your controller, especially around the analog sticks. Dust and debris can cause interference leading to drift. Use a soft cloth and compressed air to clean it thoroughly. Step 5. Test in a different game. Launch another game to see if the drift persists. If it does, the issue may be with the controller itself rather than Apex Legends. Consider seeking repair or replacement options. By following these steps, you can effectively manage controller drift and enhance your gaming experience in Apex Legends.